Missing .NET 9 in Visual Studio while creating new project in Visual Studio. You can see I am trying to create one project with .NET 9 but I am not getting this. So to get this, follow these steps. Main cause of this problem is .NET 9 requires Visual Studio 2022 version 17.12 or higher. So we have updates our Visual Studio. For this, make sure you close all Visual Studio project at first. Then go to search and type Visual Studio Installer. Then select it from the list. Then click on Update next to Visual Studio. Then it will download and install latest Visual Studio for you. After this, try to create new project and you will get .NET 9 option as shown here. In this way we successfully created new project in .NET 9 version. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.